Here's the news of the day. SkyDrive has raised approximately 8 billion yen in additional Series C funding to accelerate the development and manufacturing of its eVTOL aircraft, aiming to make air mobility a daily reality. Avincis has taken delivery of 2 5-bladed Airbus H-145 helicopters, which will be used for emergency medical services in Italy and Sweden, enhancing their life-saving operations in these regions. Stars and Viterra have launched the 2025 Stars calendar to celebrate 40 years of critical care, featuring stories of resilience and strength from past patients and medical crew members. CHC Helicopter Service has secured a new contract with DNO to provide crew change and transportation services in the North Sea, supporting key rigs like the Noble Invincible and Deep Sea Yantai. Electra has appointed B. Mark Allen as its new Chief Executive Officer, bringing extensive leadership experience to drive the company's development and commercialization of sustainable aviation technologies. Explorate has received authorization for beyond visual line-of-sight drone operations over 500 kilometres in Queensland, enhancing their capabilities for long-range drone missions. Euglena and Petronas are collaborating on large-scale algae biofuel production, aiming to advance sustainable aviation fuel and reduce carbon emissions. The business jet market is stabilizing after the high demand seen during the pandemic, according to Global Jet Capital, with more normalized levels of activity expected moving forward. The FAA has issued an airworthiness directive that supersedes a previous directive for the AT-802 air tankers, addressing issues with the elevator control system to enhance safety. To learn more, follow us now on YouTube, X, LinkedIn, Instagram, or visit us at avfoil.com/news.